OpenResty Edge admin search box is located in the upper center of the screen. You can enter keywords to search. There are various types of keywords. First, let's look at the request ID. The request ID is a unique identifier that OpenResty Edge makes for each request so that requests can be tracked easily. It is a 24-bit identifier consisting of lowercase letters and numbers. Now let's see what we can find with this identifier. We go to the OpenResty Edge's admin web console. It is our sample deployment of the console. Every user has her local deployment. We will find a request ID to search for in one of these applications. Type in openresty.org in the search box. Enter this application. Enter the error logs page. You can find the error logs of this application. Each log has a request ID. Copy the first request ID. Click to open the search box. If you have searched before, the search history will be shown below. Now it is empty. Paste the request ID we just copied into the search box. You can see a search result. Click this result. You will enter the request ID decoder page. Here you can find some detailed information about this request. Now you know how to search for requests using request ID. The second searchable type is the text on the interface. Assume that you're not familiar with the OpenResty Edge interface and forget where you can work with static files. Click to open the search box. In this case, you can search for file in the search box. There are 3 search results. Click the third result to enter the static file page. You can find this page because it has buttons that contain the text file. You can also search for upstreams by IP addresses or names. First, let's see how to search upstreams by their IP addresses. Click to open the search box again. Enter an IP address ending with .188. You find 6 results. You see upstream names in the search results. The application name. There is no application name here, and the global in parentheses means that it is a global upstream. Click the third result. You will go to the application and open the Edit Upstream panel. Look at the host of this upstream, which is exactly the IP address ending with .188. Click to close this panel. Upstreams can also be searched by names. Enter GitHub into the search box. You find 4 upstreams that have name that contains GitHub. Click to enter the first upstream. Look at the host of this upstream, which contains the text GitHub. Click to close this panel. Similarly, you can search for applications by their names. Open the search box again. Enter openresty.org. You can see that there are 7 results. Click to enter the first result. You can see that we are on the application overview page. The last thing that we can search for in OpenResty Edge is blog articles. Enter staging servers. We find 1 result in the group blog. The title and update date of the article are shown in the results. Click on the title. You can open this article. It is what I would like to demonstrate today. If you like this video, please follow us on YouTube. Thank you.